Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next topic is reverse of linked list. So how to find reverse of linked list. Reverse of linked list. So this is our linked list. This is head. This is one node. Base address is 500. This is another node. Next node. This 600 is present in this node. Next node address 700 is stored here. Next 800 is here. 900 is here. So next node is null. Here you have to find out the reverse. This is the first node. Here the head value is 900. That means head value is 900. This is the first node. Here you have to change this value to previous node. Here you have to change this address to previous node. Changed here value to previous node. Next here you have to change the previous node is null. So how to do this? Here first, here I am taking 3 nodes. So first node, second node, and a third node. So first node, second node, then third node. Here first node is 500. First node is 500. Next node is 600. Next node is 700. Here head value is, this is head. So head value is 500. Now this one is pointing to this node. Near the next node is here, the next node is 600, but you have to reverse this one. How to do this? First you have to head. Here you have to take 3 variables of type link star type struct to pointer. Here this is the data, this is next. This is data part, this one is next link part, next node address. Here this is 600. So how to reverse this? So how to reverse? First here assign this, take this one as a current node. So current value is equal to 500. First here you have to assign take this node as current node. Next this one is next node. This one is next node. So take this one is the previous node. So previous node is not available, then you have to take null value. So previous node is not available, then take the previous as null value. Now you have to change this one. Here you have to move the next one to next, and current value is moved to next, and previous value is moved to current value. So first here you have to replace, first here you have to move the current value, so next value, so here the next value is 600. How to get 600? Current arrow next, so next is equal to current arrow next. Now our next is pointing to this node. Now next you have to fill this one. At the time of reverse, this is the previous node address, this previous node is starting value is null value. That means you have to assign current arrow next value is equal to previous. So in first case the next value is 600, current arrow next, here this value is previous value, so previous value is null value. Next here you have to move the current node to next. Next here you have to move the previous to current. First you have to move, next previous is next previous is 500 and current is next, current is next. So how to write? First here you have to assign previous value is equal to current. That means the current value 500 is assigned to previous. That means the previous value is 500. Now current value is equal to next. So in this, so previous value is pointing to this location, current value is pointing to this location. Once again next value is current arrow next. Here current value is 600, current arrow next is this is the 700. So this one is 800. So next node address is 800. So this one is pointing to here. So next node is 900. Next node address is 900. This 900 is present here. You have to move this one. Next at the end, this is a null. Next the current arrow next. Now the next is pointing to this node. Now the current arrow next is this one is current arrow next is replaced with previous. Here the previous value is 500. Now this value is replaced with 500. Next previous value is changed to, now this previous value is changed to pointing to 600. Next current value is pointing to this 700. Next value is pointing to this 800. So once again here you have to copy this value. Current arrow next is previous. So previous value is 600. Next previous is Now the previous is pointing to this 700. Next current value is pointing to 800. Next is pointing to 900. Next so previous value is, current value is 800, current arrow next, this value is replaced with previous node. So previous node is 700. So this address is 700 is stored here. Next one is previous value. So previous value should be 800, current value should be 900, next value should be 900 arrow, current value is pointing to, current value is 800, 800 arrow next, so value is this 800 arrow next. So current value is pointing to next node. Next node is not available, that means the current next value is null. At the end, next value is equal to null. So current node is 900, 900 arrow next, null value, this null value is next. Next one is current arrow next, the current value is 800 arrow next, this value should be replaced with previous. So present current value is 900, 900 next value is replaced with previous, so previous value is 800. Next previous is equal to current, that means next previous is 900. Next current is null, current is equal to next current value is null. So this should be repeat the same procedure. You have to copy the previous value into current arrow next and move the previous to current and move the current to next. Same procedure is repeated up to current value is not equal to null. So these steps are repeat up to, so current value is not equal to null. At the end our previous value is 900. Here you have to assign our 900 value into head. Here head value is head value is 900. Now our head is pointing to our head is pointing to 900. Next node is 800 is pointing to this address. Next is 700. This one is pointing to this one. Next is 700. Next node is 600. This one is pointing to this one. Next 500. This node is pointing to this one. Next null. Here you have to, our head value is our last node. This is the reverse. So how to convert this one into code? First in main method or main function you have to write copy, control insert, shift insert. So enter 6 for reverse nodes. A flag value is 6, then K6 is executed. K6, a function name is reverse and then break. So this is called function calling. You have to declare this function. So return type is void, function name is reverse, no parameters. This is called function declaration. Next you have to write the function definition. So no return type, function name reverse, no parameters. This is called function definition. Here you have to take the parameters. Previous is starting is, so previous is null. This is the current node. Next this is the next node. First here you have to assign previous and current. So these are pointer types. So type is link asterisk previous, starting value is equal to null, link asterisk current value, starting value is equal to head, link next, initial value is garbage value. You have to repeat while current value not is equal to null. You have to repeat these steps. First you have to take the next address is move the current value to the next. That means starting current value is 500, next node is 600 node. How to get 600? Current arrow next. First you have to move the next to this node, and here replace this value with the previous node. So this value is, this is the current, starting this is the current. So first you have to move, you have to assign next node to next. This is the current node, this is the, so previous node is null, previous is equal to null. Next you have to move the next to current arrow next. Next current arrow next is equal to previous. Current arrow next is equal to previous. Next you have to move previous value to current value. Here you have to move previous value to so previous is equal to current. That means current value is 500. This 500 is copied into previous. Now previous is pointing to this node. Next you have to move current value is equal to next. Current value is equal to next. Now the current value is 600. So say these steps are repeat until the current value is pointing to null value. So previous value is equal to current, then current value is equal to next. These steps are repeat up to current value is not equal to null. The current value is next here. So next step, next is equal to, so next is equal to 700. Now this value, starting this value is null. First case, the previous value is null, that null is stored here. Null. Next one is, here you have to move the previous node. The previous node is 500. So this address is 500. After 500 you have to move the previous to this one. Now this value is previous. So previous is equal to 600. Next this value is current. Next this value is current. So once again current value is 700. So current value not equal to null. Yes, condition true. Once again next node is, this is the next node. So next node is 800. Next current arrow, next this value is previous node. So previous node is 600. Next you have to move the previous value to here. Now previous is 700. Now the current value is current value is 800. So current value 800 not equal to 0. Yes, condition true. Once again next is equal to current arrow next. So next is equal to 900. Next current arrow next. This is the previous node. Previous node is 700. This is present in previous. So this is previous. Next one is, you have to move previous value to current. Here you have to move this previous to previous. Next here we have to move current value to next. So once again current value is 900. So 900 not equal to null. Yes, condition true. Once again next is equal to current arrow next. That means next is equal to null. So next value is null. Then move this previous value. The previous value is 700. Here you have to move previous value is 800 is here. Assign previous value into current arrow next. This is 800. So next you have to move previous value is equal to previous value to next node. Then current value is equal to next. So current value is equal to next. Next value is null. Yes. So if current value is null, null not equal to null, condition false, out of the loop. After whenever control goes to out of the loop, So out of the loop, here you have to assign previous value into head. Our previous value is 900. This 900 is assigned to head. Now so head value is previous. So previous value is 900. So next, this 900 is pointing to this node. This is the head, first node. Next is 800. This one is pointing to 800 node. Next, this one is 700. Next node is this one. Next node is this one. Next node is this one. Next, null character. This is the reverse of a linked list. That's it. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9. First, create the linked list. 1, employee ID SMR, employee salary 16,000. Do you want one more? Yes. Employee ID 2, employee name. So Manvita salary is 17,000. Do you want one more? Yes. Employee ID 3, employee name Kushal Kumar, salary is 18,000. Do you want one more? Yes. 4, employee name Shanmukh Verma, salary is 19,000. One more? Yes. Employee ID 5, name is Durga Ganesh, salary is 20,000. One more? No. I want to display the nodes. Total 5 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now reverse the linked list. Here I want to enter 6. So reverse is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, display 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the reverse of a linked list. So first, if you want, you can check the if a head is equal to null, list is empty, and then return. So printf /n list is empty, and then return. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, directly 6. So head is list is empty. So once again, 1, employee ID, employee name, employee salary. One more? No. So here number of records is 1. I want to reverse the linked list. 6, only 1 record. 2, only 1. So enter one more. 1, employee ID, 2, employee name, Manvita, salary is 17,000. Do you want one more? No. So display 1, 2, reverse 6, display 2, 1. So this is the reverse of a linked list, and exit, enter any. So first here you have to debug this code. Okay, you have to try. So still you have any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching. Bye.